Alright guys, welcome back. Next on the list is logical operators, but before we do that, I think it's time we go ahead and make an interactive program. So first off, above this line, you're going to type in import.util.Scanner. Okay. This is going to be discussed when we start going over the core Java. The core of Java, which we got a long ways to go before we go over that. But right now, just copy and paste, monkey see, monkey do. Next, we're gonna just type in these 4 program statements, and I already got them copied and pasted. Once you get to this point, you can go ahead and pause the video, type this up. We're gonna go ahead and run it. Okay, so before we discuss what each line does, let's go ahead right here on the command prompt. It says enter a value. Right now it's waiting on me to enter a value. I'm going to say 7. And I'll press enter. And it'll say X is 7. Okay, so this is the first program that doesn't terminate immediately. So let's go over what's happening here. I'm not even going to go over all the details in this one here. So right now we have a new variable called scanner. And that variable is S. You can name it whatever you'd like. But right now mine's going to be called S. And it's going to be equal to this over here. Now once we start going over the core Java, we're going to discuss these keywords here, this new keyword. But right now this is just setting it up so your variables will, this is just going to be able to receive console input. So first thing, we just prompt the user to enter a value. Next, when the program's running, let's go ahead and run this again. Enter a value. The program is stuck. Right now it's waiting on me as the user to enter a value. So this program is running right now. It's running on right now. I'm going to type in 8. Now when I press enter, this scanner variable will take that, it does its magic and stores it in the value of X. And then it'll proceed as normal. It'll print out the value of X and the program will terminate and end. It'll echo back that X is the value of 8. I really didn't want to go over this, especially in the beginner, but I guess it was inevitable because it's important to make an interactive program. So we're going to be using this scanner probably for this in the next video series. But once we get to our graphical user interface, we're going to be using text boxes and buttons to display things to the screen. We probably won't be using the scanner too much except to display things to the console. Alright, thank you for watching, and we're going to keep moving forward.